Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. One string in a 100 milli array was producing 3% less than its twins. Same panels, same orientation, same irradiance, but 3% lower output consistently. Operator ignored it close enough. Over 5 years, that string cost $62K. Problem was, it wasn't one string. Site audit found 143 strings with similar mismatches. Total annual loss was $250K hidden in plain sight. Today, I'm showing how string-level mismatch detection finds six-figure losses your SCADA averages away. String-level performance should be nearly identical under identical conditions. 10 strings on the same row should produce within 1% of each other. When one consistently underperforms by 3 to 5%, there is a real issue. Causes include connector resistance, module mismatch, micro-shading, or early degradation. Most SCADA systems average at the inverter level. 20 strings feed one inverter, so SCADA shows inverter output, not string variance. One underperforming string gets masked by 19 healthy strings. The inverter shows 97% when it should show 100%. That 3% gap distributed across 143 strings is $250K per year. Your reports never flag it because everything looks within spec when averaged. You might think we monitor at string level through combiner boxes, but do you really? Most combiner monitoring logs data, but does not analyze variance patterns. A string at 97% looks fine in isolation. Only when compared to identical peers does the problem emerge. Many operators only check combiner data reactively when something fails hard. They do not run routine variance analysis to catch chronic underperformers. By the time a 97% string becomes 70%, you have lost years of the 3% gap. Here is how to catch string mismatch. Step 1. Pull string level production data for the last 12 months. Step 2. Group strings by identical conditions, same row orientation and proximity. Step 3. Calculate variance within each group. Healthy variance is less than 1%. Variance greater than 2% flags chronic mismatch. Step 4. Rank mismatched strings by annual euro loss. A 3% mismatch on a high production string might cost $1,500 per year. A 5% mismatch on a lower string might cost $800 per year. Prioritize the big ones. Step 5. Investigate root cause. Thermal scan the flag strings. Check connectors and test modules individually. Fix what is fixable and replace what is not. Step 6. Repeat quarterly because string degradation accelerates. A 2% mismatch today can become 5% in 6 months if unchecked. We have covered how string-level mismatches hide in inverter-level averages. Quarterly variance analysis catches chronic underperformers before they become catastrophic failures. Recovering 150,000 to 300,000 euros annually is common on typical 100 megawatt sites. Your site likely has 50 to 150 mismatched strings right now, costing 150,000 to 350,000 euros per year in silent losses. Your inverter-level SCADA will never show them because they are averaged away. Schedule a free string mismatch audit, and we will pull your string-level data and run variance analysis. We will rank the biggest losers and show you exactly which strings to investigate. Most 100 megawatt sites find 80 to 200 strings with 2 to 5% chronic underperformance equal to 200,000 to 400,000 euros in recovery opportunity. Book your audit, and the first 15 operators get a prioritized string fix list with euro values. One string underperforming 3% does not look like much. 143 strings underperforming 3% equals 250,000 euros per year in invisible loss. Your inverter-level SCADA averages it all away. Here's how string-level variance detection finds six-figure losses. Take action now and schedule your free string mismatch audit. We provide full string variance analysis, peer comparison, chronic underperformer identification, and a prioritized fix list with euro values. Book today, and the first 15 operators receive a detailed string audit. One string underperforming 3% does not look like much, but many strings doing the same adds up to massive invisible losses. String-level variance detection finds six-figure losses your inverter-level SCADA hides. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.